While hair loss is related to various factors depending on the individual, it can also occur due to a poor hair care routine. In this video, we're going to go into detail about how to take care of your hair and proper hair care tips to ensure healthy hair growth. The following are some of the best hair care tips you should incorporate into your everyday routine. 1. Only use heat on dry hair. 2. Avoid elastic hair ties. 3. Consider a silk pillowcase. 4. Get regular trims. 5. Use a wide tooth comb on wet hair. 6. Air dry whenever possible. 7. Use essential oils. 8. Wash hair 3 to 5 times per week depending on hair type. 9. Rinse hair with cold water. 10. Stay away from shampoos with harmful ingredients and chemicals. Learning how to take care of your hair can be challenging. By using the tips discussed in this video, the overall health of your hair can be improved.